Hello everyone, my name is Savishri Master from class 5P. Today I am going to make a Choco lava molten cake without using fire. So let's begin with the delicious recipe. The ingredients required to make the cake are chocolate syrup, chocolate cream biscuits, a bowl and a plate. So first we will take the biscuits and we will crush them. And then we will take the chocolate syrup and we will make it a soft dough. We'll keep on gradually adding it. We don't have. Now we have made the dough. Now we will cut it into two parts and then we will flatten it a little bit and we will take the container and we will fit it into it. Now I have fixed it in the bowl and we will take the syrup and we will half fill the dough with it. Now we will take the second leftover part of the dough and we will flatten it also. And then we will place it over the bowl. Now the bowl has been covered and now I will transfer it on a plate. Now I have placed it. Wow, it's looking so beautiful. Now it's time for plating and garnishing. You can garnish as you want. Now I will pour some powdered sugar on it to decorate it. Now you can see my Choco lava cake is ready. Now it's time to cut it.